Hi everyone. Last weekend we rode our motorbikes up Doi Inthanon mountain in Chiang Mai, Thailand. We stayed at the rustic and beautiful Zen Farmstay. This video shows the highlights of our one-night stay and also shows some of the sketching that I did. Nuku is the name of our wonderful host at the Zen Farmstay. The night before, after we had had dinner, her father came and played his traditional Karen tribe. It was a kind of a cross between a guitar and a harp. And here is a short video of him playing and singing. Our stay with Nuku was a deeply moving experience. We arrived just after lunch and had some time to settle into our room and just enjoy the peacefulness of our surroundings. The top of Doi Inthanon mountain is the highest point in Thailand, and whilst we were not at the top of the mountain, we were very nearly at the top. This means that we enjoyed much cooler temperatures than in Chiang Mai. In fact, it got very cold at night, which is something you don't often say in Thailand. After we had relaxed a bit and had a bit of an afternoon nap, Nuku then took us on a long walk around the area. We got to visit a few of her aunts and uncles in the surrounding area. Nuku and her family are from the Karen tribe that originates in Myanmar, or Burma. Generations ago, many Burmese fled their country to Thailand and settled up in the mountains of northern Thailand. They are completely self-supporting on their farms, where they grow fruits and vegetables and raise all sorts of livestock, including chickens, goats, pigs, and cattle. What struck me was the extremely simple lifestyle that these people lead. They live in the simplest wooden houses and cook their food over the fire that is inside the house that is also used for heating. They grow their own vegetables and share what they grow with the community, so that everybody shares in the variety of all that is grown, and nobody goes without. We walked from farm to farm and picked zucchini, cucumbers, snap peas, strawberries, and gooseberries. We went to the homes of Nuku's family, where she showed us how they store vegetables and dry them for when they are out of season. We saw the fires, pots, and cooking methods. We also got a glimpse into the living rooms and sat on the woven mats whilst the family shared their time with us. In the evening, we gathered around the fire and helped chop vegetables for our dinner. Nuku's family prepared a beautiful spread of rice, zucchini with spices, snap peas with ground pork, omelette, and a fish wrapped in a banana leaf. It was simple and delicious. After dinner, Nuku's father sat down on a log by the fire and first opened a bottle that looked like a beer bottle but contained a very potent drink, a bit like rum. He poured us all a shot glass of the spirit, and it definitely warmed our chests. Then he played his traditional instrument that looked a bit like a guitar in the way that he held it, but it sounded more like a harp when he played it. I think this was my favorite experience of the 2 days. It was an absolute privilege to share in this culture in such an authentic way. Nuku told us how she has a son and that she wants the best for him. 10 years ago, which was about the time that he was born, she realized that the first step towards advancement required knowing how to speak English. At that time, Nuku did not know how to speak English, and she has spent the last 10 years learning the language. She is motivated by the desire to send her son to an international school so that he too can learn English. But international schools are expensive, and so she would need to generate an income to do this, something that subsistence farmers don't do. She was not prepared to leave her family farm, however, so she was motivated to create this homestay experience on her farm. She has started it with very limited means, but she has done an excellent job. The 3 bungalows have bamboo walls and wooden floors. They have their own bathrooms with heated showers. The beds are very comfortable, and they have mosquito nets. The accommodation is simple, rustic, and more than adequate. This is no fancy resort, but you wouldn't want it to be. I came away from this experience enriched and rejuvenated, and we will definitely return. This is a page of the sketching that I did whilst at the homestay and also upon my return. I don't mind splitting my sketching between doing some whilst on holiday and then finishing it off at home, especially if we are so busy doing activities whilst we are there.